Alright guys, so is it still possible to send thousands of cold emails every day? The answer is this: yes, it is still possible, as cold emailing is still one of the most powerful ways to generate leads, that is if you're making use of the right tool. So in this video, I am breaking down everything you need to know about Manyreach.com. So Manyreach is a pay-as-you-go cold emailing platform packed with so many great features just to help you send personalized emails and also help you send automated follow-ups without the complexity or monthly fees. Now, this tool is designed for anyone who needs results. So whether you are sending your first email campaign, this tool might just be the perfect one for you. Alright, so now you want to come over to Manyreach.com to create a free account, or click the link down in the video description and it's going to bring you over to this page. So once you've been able to create an account, you should have a dashboard that looks like this. And now firstly, we are going to be starting off for the sender section. So this is where users connect and manage the email addresses they will be sending from. Now go ahead and click on add sender. You want to go ahead and also select the email provider you love to work with. So from Google Workspace to Office 365 to a custom SFTP server, you can add multiple sending accounts on Manyreach, unlike other tools that are restricted to just one sending account. So once you've been able to add a sending account, we can now move to sending our first email campaign. Now by clicking on create campaign, we can go ahead and give those campaign a name. Now, once you've been able to name your campaign, you can also personalize your subject line by choosing if you want to have their first name, email address, last name, or others appear in the subject line. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and select first name. Then I'm also going to type in something right now. Now moving over to the message body, I just want to include something like this. You can see here is my message body, and also I can personalize this by adding the first name directly right here at this place. Then at this particular point here, I'm just going to add something that says the sender name. So at the end of my email, they are going to be finding my name there, and I could also add my signature, that is if I want to. And lastly, I'm going to be adding an unsubscribe link, which I always recommend when trying to set up your email campaigns. So all of this is just to show you what you have access to using the best beginner-friendly cold emailing tool, Manyreach. So once done with writing your email body, you can also add a follow-up sequence directly from here if you want to. So everything is just amazing with this cold email tool. So the next thing we have to do right now is to add our prospect, which can be done in 3 ways. So I'm going to be making use of the upload CXV method because this is much easier and faster for me. So I'm going to select the file from my computer, and here is where I have to match the CXV data we are importing. This is very easy to do, as you are only going to be matching the informations you want to upload into Manyreach. For me, it's just going to be the name column, the phone address, and email address. For you, it can be anything at all. Now, once you've been able to match the data, go ahead and click on import, and here we have it. So you can see for yourself that we've been able to import all our prospects into Manyreach effortlessly without any stress. And finally, you want to come over to the campaign settings tab, because there is something else you guys need to know about this. And now from here, you can carry out some settings, just like choosing your sender, selecting your sending limit, having a sending schedule. You can track your email performance and some other advanced options, which I don't think you might be needing if you're a beginner with this tool. So once all of this is done, once you've been able to meet all your preferences, you are ready to start sending your email campaign. Now you can go ahead and start sending your email campaign, or you can schedule for some other time. Now quickly, let me show you some other things you need to know about Manyreach. Manyreach also have those inbuilt CRM that tracks and organizes your prospect for you based on the following filters right here. Now also, the Unibox section is your unified inbox, where it lets you view and reply all your cold email responses from every connected sender into one central place. So no more logging in into 3 different Gmail tabs or jumping inboxes just to reply to your emails. You can reply every of your email directly from here. Now let's talk about the pricing plan of Manyreach. So with all of these amazing features you've got access to on Manyreach, it is so rare to see a cold email platform that allows you pay for only what you use. Now, most cold email tools like Instantly, Smartly, and others charge you a flat monthly fee. So whether you're sending 50 emails or 1,000 emails, you're still going to be paying the same monthly fee. And if you're getting started or scaling slowly, it might not be the best option for you. And that's why I recommend Manyreach, because you are only going to be paying for what you are using. So if you're going to be sending 1,000 emails, you're going to pay for just 1,000. If you're going to be sending 50 emails, you're also going to pay for just 50 emails. And this gives you control over your budget. Now, I bet you don't know this, okay? Do you know that you can also resell Manyreach as your own? Yes, with Manyreach Whitelabel feature, agencies and freelancers can resell this powerful tool under their own brand. And the best part is that you don't need a developer, no expensive server or a support team. Manyreach handles all the infrastructures for you, while you only focus on the profit from reselling this tool. And finally, Manyreach also has a vibrant and growing Facebook group where cold emailers, founders, agencies, and freelancers share their wins, tips, and strategies every single day. So when you join Manyreach, you are not just buying the tool, you're also tapping into a green movement of cold emailers who support each other, share their wins, and get better together. Alright guys, so we've been able to cover a lot in a very short period of time in this video, from how to add your own sender to creating your campaign, and a lot of other informative settings that you need to apply right here on Manyreach. So Manyreach isn't just another cold email tool. Trust me, it is a tool built for modern outbound. So if you're ready to try it out, click the link in the description box below to sign up for Manyreach today for free and start sending effective cold emails in a minute. I've also included the link to the Facebook group so you can join and connect with other cold mailers like you. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and let me know what you think about Manyreach in the comment box below, and I'd love to hear your response. And also stay tuned for other content like this, and I'll see you in other videos. Please take care of yourself and bye.